In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Hostinger plan in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and hassle-free, making it perfect for anyone looking to expand their web hosting capabilities. So, let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start by navigating to the Hostinger website. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to keep things secure, so go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type hostinger.com into the address bar. Once you've reached the homepage, you're going to see a wide array of tools and resources ready to help you bring your ideas online. Now that we're on the Hostinger site, the next step is to log in. This is an essential step because you need to access your account to make any changes to your hosting plan. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice the login button. Give that a click and it will take you to the login page. Enter your credentials. If you've forgotten them, Hostinger provides easy options to recover your password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger's H panel. The H panel is where you can manage all aspects of your hosting account, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface. Next, we need to navigate to the Home section of the Hostinger dashboard. From the H panel, find and click on the Home tab. This area serves as the control center for your web hosting needs. From the Home section, we'll be exploring further by clicking on All Products. This option will introduce you to the variety of services Hostinger offers. Look for the All Products button on the dashboard and click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of product offerings ranging from shared hosting to VPS and more, tailored for different levels of website needs. With your products lined up in front of you, the next step is to explore the various plans available. Here you'll see a clear outline of what Hostinger can provide, allowing you to assess what might suit your website's needs as it grows. Click on Explore Plans to dive deeper into what each plan offers, from performance capabilities to additional features that could benefit your online presence. And there you have it, you've now successfully navigated your way through the Hostinger interface to explore and select the most suitable hosting plan upgrades. Whether you are expanding your existing websites or require additional resources, Hostinger's wide array of plans ensures you'll find the right fit. Thank you for tuning into this guide. If you found it helpful or need assistance on another topic, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you every step of the way as you expand your online presence.